Just went out, bought a snack. Huh? What do you call it? So someone wanna make me believe that it's my downfall. It's not. You know when was my downfall? My downfall was when I don't know what was happening against me. Now when I know what has to be done. How to pull the fake bankers and the fake bank accounts and the prostitutes in the bank accounts. Getting this part. This is not my downfall. My downfall is when I didn't know what was happening. I had no clue what was happening. I was running here from there and there. I had no clue what was happening. So when you know what is happening, then that's not your downfall. That's your beginning. Yeah. Look, from past 3 years, corrupt officers wasted my time, and they got caught on the court papers, stamped papers. Those papers are in court now. They cannot switch it. Yeah. From past 3 years, corrupt officers wasted my 3 years, wasted my time, and let scammers do their dirty work, and they got caught on the court papers now for making false reports. This is not a downfall. This is the biggest jackpot I've ever wanted. They cannot switch those papers now. It's already with the judge. They cannot. So I had no clue what was happening. That was my downfall. When I came to know what has happened, now this is just the beginning. I spoke to the guards and everyone that you viral these files and claim everything. I have donated on the end. If you have a Aadhaar card, if you have anything, citizenship of this country, directly go to the court, directly go to the police station and file a case on that film production. For prostitution, sex videos, and the files which I donated, they used it without your permission. Yeah. Everyone in this country. And fake banking. So you just need a citizenship of this country. So whatever amount is paid in the fake bank account by the production should pay to every citizen of this country. जिसने बेचा उसका नाम योगेंद्र निगड़े है क्या उसकी माँ की चूत? कौन है वो फेक बैंक के रंडिया? Those are prostitutes, street hookers. So when you know you got, what do you call it? When you know what was happening, then it's not your downfall. I didn't know what was happening. That was my downfall. When I came to know what has happened, now I'm going to fuck their happiness. This is just the beginning now. Trust me. This is just the beginning. Let the files get viral, then everyone comes to know what happens. Okay? Let those files get viral in the entire country. I'll get the paperwork done. In the newspaper, I'll announce. But I had the evidence, and corrupt officers, what they did? Got stamped themselves in the court papers. Now those papers cannot be switched. The judge already has those papers. I just have to take that papers as it is. Corrupt officers cannot, what do you call it? Cannot switch those papers now. They cannot. Yeah, this is not my fucking downfall, it's your fucking downfall of your scam. समझा? जितने भी बैंक फ्रॉड, जितने भी विक्टिम है ना बैंकर्स, ये सब बैंक के, उनको भी पैसा जाना चाहिए, समझे? वो लोग भी क्लेम करेंगे, वो लोग पहला क्लेम करेंगे. गरीबों को भयंकर लूटा है तुम लोगों ने, मादरचोद. तुम्हारी माँ की चुत तुम्हारी. हाँ? कौन है ये लोग? प्रोस्टिट्यूट्स है, सर्विलेंस में पकड़े गए वो लोग। जो नंगे वीडियो बनाता है वो फ़ोन लेके घूम रहे थे, सीसीटीवी के सामने पकड़े गए वो लोग। समझे? लुक, द वन हु सेंडेड दैट, लुक इट्स, ऐसा तो मैं फिर 3 साल पहले ही बोलना चाहिए था, व्हेन पुलिस व्हाट यू कॉल इट was not taking seriously. It's not never the downfall. तभी मैं downfall. I should have lost all the hope. This is not the downfall. This is the beginning of something new. You know what it is? It's the dangerous game. What do you call it? You could picture that dangerous game. What is gonna happen in the future? Yeah. You know how many bank fraud the victims of bank fraud are gonna come after you for the people in the transaction? How badly they are gonna come after you? You know this? Do you have any clue? This is just the beginning. Fuck the career. Fuck the money. You wanted to destroy me, I want the same to you. Yeah? You want to make my fucking nudes, right? You prostitutes? Huh? Street hookers? You wanted to make my sex videos, right? Huh? Fuck everyone. Eventually, I am giving it to the entire country. I am donating it. Donation papers will be out soon. By the time, viral the file. Those who got nothing, they can viral the file. They got a lot of things. Those who got nothing, just viral the file. And if you know the production already, keep hunting that production. Keep an eye on that production. They have to give you that amount. Make sure of that. See what all business they have. See where their houses are. See who the artists are. See, get everything. Yeah. Fuck the career, fuck the money. It's the rise of something new. Downfall was when I had no clue what was happening. When I know, fuck you. Yeah. And you know, you came after me because I was a fucking rock star, and still I am a fucking rock star even if I am going after criminals. समझे? कल मादरचोद लोग घर के बाहर निकले नहीं, and the view which I saw from that bridge, समझे? उनकी माँ चोदने वाली है लोग. They were creating race riots. बहुत लोग काम कर रहे हैं उस चीज़ पे, समझे? So everyone who gets the file can press charges, and they should do file forensics. Yeah.